The first thing we did to prepare for the window install was to cut a template the size of the window, and then we traced it and taped it to prepare for the cutting. The tape was to prevent the saw from scratching the paint on the cargo trailer outside.
No going back now.
You'll also want to make sure that your saw blade is long enough to go all the way through both the wood and the metal outside.
And there's a hole. It's not a window yet, but it's a hole.
The window we ordered didn't have a gasket on the outside, so we added a layer of butyl tape to the inside ring where it would fit into the window. Now lining up the trim ring on the inside with the outside in order to line up the screws and make it fit nice and tight can be a little tricky, but be patient, it'll work. And that's it. Now we have a window, and we did the same thing on the other side, ready to go.